Welcome to the Arsenic Cooking channel. Today I'll be making salmon on dill. It's going to be a very simple recipe. So we have salmon here. You can buy it at any local store. I suggest to go to Aldi's and you can buy it much cheaper. This chunk will probably cost you like 15-20 bucks. I got it at the local store for $23. It can fit probably like 3 or 4 people. And we're going to be making it on dill. Dill and salmon pair well together. Make sure don't cook on parsley or any other green. Make sure it's dill. And I'm gonna use avocado oil. Let's heat up the stove here. Put some avocado oil. I'm very generous with avocado oil. I love it. It has a very high heat cooking oil, so can heat up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. And for salmon, you can use either salt and pepper, but I always use this seasoning, the seafood seasoning, so you can just buy it in Whole Foods. So let's season this up. I usually like to rub that in to make sure that everything gets into the pores of the fish. So let's put that in. Okay. Make sure you cover the sides as well. So one thing I like about all the fish, the salmon, is that it has enough layers of fat to give you the flavor, but also it is never frozen. So you'll always have this nice juicy finish. All right, so we have this oil heated up. Let's put dill. You can put it just like that. It doesn't have to be in any particular fashion. You see how it starts rustling here. Okay. And now we put this big chunk of salmon right on top. All right. And we're gonna cover it up. And since this is a big chunk, just leave it here on a medium to low heat for 25 minutes. If you have a smaller piece, let's say half of it or much thinner, then I would just leave it for up to 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. Even if it's a little bit raw inside, that's okay. It's fine for salmon to be raw. But if you want it to be fully cooked, I would suggest 20 minutes. And for a big chunk like this, 25 minutes will be fine. And it's a 2-pound chunk. All right, and we'll be back in 25 minutes. So with the magic of video editing, now it's 25 minutes past and the salmon is ready. I wish you were here. It just smells amazing. It's amazing. So let me open this up real quick. Look at this. Oh my God, look at this. It's perfect. You see, it's perfect. It's juicy. I wish you could see all the juices flowing out here. It's just amazing. I would suggest it pairs well with any kind of salad. So let's turn this off and let me cut a piece. Oh my God, look how flaky this is. This is so juicy, it's just amazing. All right, so let's put this chunk over here. Oh, look at that. Look how amazing this is. It's just still playing around here and the smell is just unbelievable. And we put some salad. You can make any kind of salad. I just made it with cucumbers, pickles, and just so you know, the dill I used is called pickled dill, and that's what gives this aroma and flavor. So here you go. You have a fantastic lunch or a very light dinner, and enjoy it. And last thing, I wanted to thank my mom for helping me out in this video editing and in video and everything else. And thank you so much. And until next time on the Arsenic Cooking channel. Thank you.